viewers, it's good to see you again. I'm back in Capital Gardens Estate to remind you that we are still selling. In as much as we are sold out in our 3-bedroom semi-detached, we have phase 2 currently selling. But I came to show you, and I also came to remind you that we still have units selling in here. We have 2 bedrooms selling and we have 3 beds selling, which is the phase 2. This is your first time of seeing me. Welcome to this channel. My name is Joanne, your best bet for anything off-plan real estate. Okay, please do well and hit your subscribe button, turn on your bell so that you stay notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. Like I said earlier, our 3-bedroom here, which are these beautiful units you are seeing behind me, is all gone. Smart investors have all taken advantage of this beautiful units you are seeing behind me. This is the reason why when you come across something you love, you need to make your decision quickly by using the veto power, which is the initial deposit, so that you would not miss out completely on that project. But do well to know that we still have 2 bedrooms selling in here. Yes, we have enough 2 bedrooms for you, including corner piece and the phase 2 as well. You're going to be seeing that information on the caption, so do well to read the caption. Okay, I want to beg you again, my first time viewer, you are seeing me for the first time, tap on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop updates on this channel. Let's go see the 2-bed and we'll get to see the site updates over there. I'll see you soon. Okay, welcome back viewers, my beautiful viewers that you wish to invest in an off-plan project. You wish to buy either a 2-bedroom, a 3-bedroom in an estate that shows walk-ins, because one thing about buying into an off-plan project is working with a developer that actually knows what he or she is doing. And this developer is one developer that does know what he is doing. We are sold out in this unit, but I also want to show my smart investors the site updates that aside this ones painted here, we have more units coming up. So I want to take you behind this ones so that you will see the units we have already in there, what we have coming up in there, because these are not just the only units in here in Capital Gardens. So if you missed out on this phase 1, please make sure you don't miss out on phase 2, okay? Because the phase 2 is not going to last in the market, because a whole lot of people bought into this project. If it's not good, they will not buy into it, okay? So make sure you WhatsApp me or you send me a message on the number displayed on your screen. These are more units coming up, yeah, the same way we did the interlocking, everything we did there, we are going to do the same thing here, okay? These are more units coming up. And guess what, most of our clients have also gotten their allocation. Clients are paid on 100%. I can't really pass here because of this sand, but I'll try to move this way so that I can show you that there are other projects behind these ones that are coming up. Whenever I visit, workers are on site to show you that if you are looking for a functioning estate where work is ongoing, do well to buy into it. And Capital Gardens is one estate that whenever I visit, I must see something new to talk about. Congratulations to all my subscribers that bought into our phase 1. You did well for yourself. You made the best decision for yourself. Now let's head to phase 2, where we have so many units selling. Let's go. So smart investors, we are here and work is in progress. Okay, we are here and work is in progress. You can see that workers are on site and work is ongoing both outside and inside of all these units. These are what we are giving you in Capital Gardens. Okay, I want to move in so that we'll look at it together. I want to move into this one. I can see that POP has been done. Let's take a look at this one. POP has been done. Okay, not yet, but we'll look at the one that the POP has been done after this one. So please, if you need a unit here, give me a call or you send me a WhatsApp message. Okay, they've done the POP upstairs, but I really want us to look at that other one. Yeah. I want us to look at this one. We've done the POP of this one. Don't forget it's an open plan kitchen, because that thing there is open plan kitchen. Yeah, we've also done POP here. Let's get upstairs. Good investments don't last in the markets, so don't wait until we are sold out to grab your units here in Capital Gardens. Okay, give me a call or you send me a WhatsApp message and I'll put you through immediately. All it takes you is a down payment and you will take advantage of our payment plan. These are more units coming up, and we started roofing. In this unit, we've gotten to the roofing stage. I will still go downstairs and show you this one from the front side. So, okay, look. Let's go down. So this was what I was talking about, that we started roofing. So I needed to come to this front so that I can show us properly that we started roofing. We started setting it up for roofing. Okay, the roofing woods, we've placed it, and we'll be doing the same on all these units, including the estate pathways. We've done it. We've done drainage system at both sides. We've closed up this one. We're yet to close up this one. This is going to be a very lovely estate for you to live into, like I always say. Okay, so do well to contact me. Send me a WhatsApp message or you call me directly. For my clients in the diaspora, you can send me a WhatsApp message or you call me via WhatsApp if you want a unit here in Capital Gardens. Do well to also read the caption and just call me and let me know what you need, and we'll take it off from there. Welcome back, viewers. So that is the latest site update we have. You see that work is still in progress and we are still selling. There are so many units that are going to be allocated to you. That is if you make your decision quickly by sending me a WhatsApp message before we are all sold out. Don't wait till all the units are gone. Just send me a WhatsApp message or you call me on the number displayed on your screen. If Serenity is part of your real estate search tag, this estate is your best option. Okay, call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen and I'll follow through with you. Don't forget that you need to subscribe to this channel. As for my first time viewers, for you that see me for the first time, welcome to this beautiful community. It's so good to have you. God bless you. So please tap on the subscribe button. It's not even up to a second. Tap on it, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. Enjoy the rest of your day. I am Joan of Joanny Homes Realty. I will see you on my next one. Bye.